How to download and install Autodesk Fusion 360 for free trial version for 1 year, personal and hobby use. Go to the website www.autodesk.co.uk/products/fusion-360/overview. Click on UK site or USA site. Click on Download Free Trial. Select Personal Use. Under the Activate 360 Personal Use, click on Get Started. Create an account using an email address and password. Log into your account. Log into the account to download Fusion 360 software. Download and install the software. Click on the desktop icon, log in, and the software is ready to use.